We've got item hashtag 4389 from JewelryMeTV. It's a set, actually.
A set? Okay, love that.
Yeah, a gold herringbone necklace with an adjustable clasp, and it comes with this sparkling zircon ring.
Fancy.
Yeah, it's all about that designer look, but without that...
Without breaking the bank.
Exactly.
So accessible elegance is what we're looking at here.
Right, so we're going to dive into what makes this set so special.
Love it. Let's unpack the sparkle.
Okay, so first up, the necklace. So think like a classic gold herringbone chain, you know?
Yeah, that sleek look.
Yeah, always in style.
Timeless.
But here's what I think is really cool about this one. It's got an adjustable clasp.
Oh, that's handy.
Right, so how much do you think that kind of like adaptability adds to it?
I mean, that's huge for me personally, because you can wear it so many different ways.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Like a shorter choker kind of vibe, or longer to layer it up with other pieces.
Oh.
Yeah, versatility is key.
Definitely. And then we got to talk about the ring.
Bling bling time.
Right, it's got this sparkling zircon stone, which is like just enough shimmer.
I love zircon. It really does give you that diamond look without...
The price tag.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's all about that smart sparkle.
Absolutely. Okay, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What's it actually made of?
This is where the real value comes in.
Right, so it's high-quality stainless steel with that gold finish.
Okay, so break that down for me. Why stainless steel for jewelry?
Well, first of all, it's super durable.
Yeah, I'm tough on my jewelry.
Right, and it won't tarnish.
No green skin, that's a win.
Huge win, and the gold finish gives it that, expensive look.
Luxurious but affordable.
Exactly, and also often hypoallergenic, which is a big deal for a lot of people.
Oh yeah, comfort is queen.
Right, so basically you can swim, shower, sleep, even in this jewelry, and it's like...
No drama jewelry.
Exactly.
You love to see it.
I do love to see it. And, okay, let's talk logistics. How fast can you get this set?
Let's get to the good stuff.
All right, so shipping is 3 to 5 business days across the USA.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad at all. And ordering is super easy. Just scan the QR code or use Cash App or PayPal.
Love that they've got all the options.
Yeah, they've made it nice and streamlined. And
Oh, by the way, I've heard this set's selling out fast.
Really?
Yeah, word on the street.
Wow. So that combo of style, the durability, the price point, it's clearly a hit.
Yeah, it's a no-brainer.
It might be. So if you're thinking about it, maybe don't wait too long.
Definitely not.
All right, so to recap, we've got that stylish gold herringbone necklace that you can adjust to fit any look, and a zircon ring to add a little sparkle.
It's the perfect everyday set.
It really is, and it's made to last.
Built to shine.